Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, few days back I have released multiple video on YouTube. So today I am not going to make video on YouTube. Today I am going to make video for specific purpose, and that is learning purpose. And for this purpose I have selected a field of languages and its equivalent translators. Dear viewers, you know that in this world 6,500 languages are spoken, and you will be surprised to know that there are many languages who have less than 1,000 speakers, and you will be more surprised to listen that there exists a language that has only 10 speakers, and that is Abenaki. And the other languages who have less than 1,000 speakers are Abenaki, Belgian, Han or Gaga. These five languages has less than 1,000 speakers. But if we look on the opposite side of this, there exist also many languages who has more than 100 million speakers. And the most prominent five languages are Chinese, English, Hindi, Spanish and Arabic. These languages has more than 100 million speakers. Dear viewers, you know that in this competition only those languages can survive whose nation has developed their database of vocabulary, whose nation has developed their dictionaries. So this is my today topic. Dear viewers, I have divided the dictionaries into two groups. Dear viewers, I have divided the dictionaries into two groups, and in group A you will be able to learn multiple languages, and in group B you will be able to learn a specific English. But in both cases the primary source will be English. In group A you will be able to learn from English to multiple languages, and vice versa, you will be able to come back from multiple language to English. And in group B you will be able to learn from English to a specific language, that may be Hindi, Spanish, Arabic and Chinese, and vice versa. You will also be able to come back to English. So dear viewers, if we talk about the group A, I have selected two major dictionaries that are most prominent and that are most suitable for this purpose. By installing these two dictionaries, you will be able to learn multiple languages. So therefore, the first dictionary is Dict-Box. This is a free and offline dictionary. This can be installed on your Android applications. Dear viewers, by installing this dictionary, you will be able to learn 50 languages. By installing this application, you will be able to learn from English to 50 language, and you will also able to come back from 50 language to English. So this is the first dictionary, Dict-Box. This is free and offline dictionary. This is a live dictionary you can easily install on your Android application. And so the second most important dictionary that enables you to learn multiple languages, Merriam-Webster. This dictionary enables you to learn dozen languages, but the primary source will be American English. This dictionary has some unique feature, and that is, first, it has audio pronunciations. Dear viewers, it has also word of games. These word of game enable you to learn quickly any pronunciation, to learn quickly any word meaning. So dear viewers, these dictionaries are included in group A. By installing these dictionaries, you will be able to learn multiple languages, from English to multiple languages and vice versa, from multiple languages to you can come back to English. So dear viewers, if we talk about the second group of dictionaries, if we want to learn a specific language, suppose I want to learn a Chinese, so primary source will be English. If I want to learn Chinese, then I will have to install a Chinese dictionary that is easily available on Play Store. You can easily install this application on your Android mobiles. So this dictionary, Chinese dictionary, will enable you to learn Chinese from English and vice versa. So there we were, the fourth and the last dictionary that enables you to learn a specific language. If you want to learn Persians, then in Play Store a Persian dictionary is available. This is a light, free and offline dictionary. By installing this dictionary, you will be able to learn from English to Persian and Persian to English. So there were, these are the two group of dictionaries. In group A dictionaries enables you to learn multiple languages, and group B dictionary enables you to learn a specific languages. So there was, this is all about the languages and its equivalent translator. I have picked some prominent languages and its translator. Dear viewers, how was my this video? Please comment on this. See you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad.